Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I'm going to show you some country cottage style home decor ideas. Let's take a look. Country cottage style home decor is a cozy, charming and inviting aesthetic inspired by rural homes and pastoral life. It blends rustic simplicity with soft, welcoming elements, creating spaces that feel lived in, warm, and comfortable. Here are some practical and creative tips to enhance a country cottage style home. Embrace natural elements. Use wood, stone, and natural fibers wherever possible. Wooden beams, wicker baskets, and jute rugs instantly adds rustic charm. Houseplants or herbs in terracotta pots add freshness and life. Layered textures mix soft linens, wool straws, cotton cushions, and lace curtains. Layered rugs over hardwood or stone floors for warmth and visual interest. Crochet or knitted accessories like cushions, blankets, or table runners add handcrafted charm. Use vintage and repurposed items. Look for old furniture pieces you can repaint or distress. Mason chairs, animal ware, and antique tins can serve as storage or decor. Vintage clocks, mirrors, or frames add personality to your walls. Add floral and gingham patterns. Soft floral prints on curtains, cushions, or bedding feel cozy and nostalgic. Gingham or plaid fabrics work well for tablecloths, kitchen towels, or throw pillows. Create cozy corners. A reading nook with a comfy chair, throw blanket, and soft lighting invites relaxation. Window seats with cushions or a small corner with a vintage rocking chair enhance the homely vibe. Warm and inviting lighting. Use lamps with fabric shades, candles, lanterns, or string lights. Warm, soft lighting is more important than bright, harsh lights in a cottage-style home. Soft, neutral walls. White, cream, soft grey, or pastel walls provide a calming backdrop. Consider bedboard, shiplap, or wooden paneling for accent walls. Personal touches. A mix of meaningful items make your home feel lived in and welcoming. Keep it casual and comfortable. Furniture doesn't have to be perfectly matched. Mismatched chairs or tables add character. Play with soft patterns. Mix subtle florals, stripes, and checks together, but keep the colors in a harmonious palette. Use small scale prints for cushions or curtains to avoid overwhelming the space. Wallpaper with delicate vintage motifs can create charming accent walls. Highlight rustic wood. Expose wooden beams or ceiling planks if possible. Use reclaimed wood for shelves, coffee tables, or headboards. Vintage kitchen charm. Display open shelving with vintage dishes, mason jars, or enamelware. Hang copper pots or wooden utensils for a functional decorative look. Add cottage-style accessories. Wicker baskets, ceramic pitchers, or lanterns work well as decor. Use old books, antique clocks, or weathered signs for character. A mix of handmade and vintage items creates a cozy, personal feel. Use soft, cozy textiles. Layer blankets and quilts over sofas or beds. Crochet or lace trellis on tables or shelves add a delicate touch. Rugs with braided, floral, or muted geometric patterns enhances warmth. Embrace soft lighting. Combine ceiling lights with floor lamps and table lamps for a layered effect. Use warm light bulbs to maintain a cozy atmosphere. Place candles or fairy lights around the windows or shelves for charm. Incorporate nature. Display fresh flowers, dried lavender, or small potted plants. Seasonal decor like pumpkins in fall or dried flowers in winter adds a natural touch. Nature-inspired artwork or prints reinforce the countryside vibe. Keep it comfortable and inviting. Furniture should feel soft and used, not stiff or overly polished. Let some imperfection show, it adds authenticity. Items like baskets, trays, or jars should be both pretty and practical. Use vintage boxes or tins for storage while keeping them on display. Wooden crates or barrels can double as side tables. Pay attention to small details. Window sills, shelves, or mantles are perfect for small vignettes. Hang vintage-style hooks for coats, aprons, or towels. Subtle touches like embroidered pillows, ceramic figurines, or old postcards create charm. Combine sheer curtains with heavier drapes for a soft, airy feel. Crochet or lace panels give a delicate vintage touch. Tie bags with fabrics or rope add rustic elegance. Add rustic metals, old-iron lamps, curtain rods, or candle holders add contrast. Focus on cozy corners, small reading nooks with cushions, blankets, and a soft lamp. Window seats or a corner chair with a small table for tea or books. Incorporate nature everywhere. Small potted plants, fresh flowers or herbs in the kitchen. Dried flowers, pine cones or seasonal items on shelves and tables. Thanks for watching the video.